Hi, I'm Cheylin Rose and I have this massive bag of clothes I need to fix. I am just kind of starting to get into fashion. I don't know if you can tell by my 16-year-old inspired outfits, but that's led me to really find joy in clothing and finding clothing that really expresses this image of who I want to be in the world and who I am inside. Quite a few of these are thrifted pieces. So I got this skirt, which is just too big for me, but I got it for 20 rand and it's the most amazing skirt ever. Then I have this dress that I also thrifted. This one I got for 10 rand, which has a gaping boob hole. Then I have these dungarees, which are amazing, but way too big for me and have the stain on the front, which I'm going to zhuzh up, I guess. This white shirt, which I thrifted, and that really needs a bleach. And then this lovely little tartan, which needs its hem to be taken out because it's like just a bit too short for my modest mind. Difficult. I have 0.3% of experience in sewing, so this is going to be an interesting challenge. Grey one. How? Nope. Gran!
So I've got a loose thread here, see? Oops, I broke my needle. Yay, amateurity.
Call me crazy, but I actually prefer hand sewing. Probably because I don't know how to use the machine properly yet. Maybe one day I'll feel more confident. But I like the control I have with hand stitching.
forgot about this and let it soak literally for 12 hours, even longer. So hopefully it's okay. I'm gonna chuck it in the washing machine, hope for the best.
Because I'm not wearing a white bra. It is white. It's so cold. You hear a lot of people who go on and on about, you know, sustainability and recycling and secondhand stores and fixing your clothes so that you don't add into the mass production of clothing and the wastage and the pollution that it causes and all of that, and they are absolutely right. We should be making a bigger effort to recycle our clothes, to slow the production of the fast fashion industry that produces clothes that really just aren't good clothing, that are cheap, made out of bad material, cheap fake material, that are produced in basically sweat houses with people who pay the absolute minimum, often overseas, not in your local country, and so the money that you are spending is not even going back into your economy, it's going elsewhere. Just for the big boys on top to exploit the little boys on the bottom. Yeah, so I've become a really big thrifter, and I try to thrift a lot of the things that I own. In fact, this outfit, this is thrifted, this is thrifted. And I just think thrifting is such an amazing way to experiment with your clothing really cheaply, and often gives back to a charity. The thrift stores I support, like the SPCA or Anne Harding Cheshire Homes, they support charities, and so the money that you're giving them goes to supporting a bigger cause. You're not spending a lot, something or someone else is benefiting from it, and you get a chance to buy 5 pieces for the same price as you would something new. When you're in this industry of buying clothing all the time, this every single season with a new wave of clothing, you become trapped in the cycle of buying things because they exist now and they're not going to exist anymore, and then you end up buying things that you don't actually really want but you feel like you should get, and then they sit in your closet forever and you have no idea what to do with it. You know, we're in such a consumeristic culture that we just get kind of drawn into whatever is there and just feel so compelled to buy something, especially if it's on sale, and that's when the real struggle comes in. And it's actually been really amazing to buy things that genuinely love, that I would spend time repairing so that I can wear again. This mindset change has been an incredible way to shop, because I go into shops and I spend time looking and trying things on and really thinking, is this the image that I want to be putting out into the world? Does this dress say what I wanted to say about me? Does this shirt really fit the way I want it to fit? And if it doesn't, then don't buy it. Time to bring out the sewing kits. Gonna secure this with a safety pin. So it looks as if
someone sewed the hem up, which makes my life really easy. There is this single dot down the front, which I don't find very flattering, so I'm going to unpick it. Okay, so I couldn't get rid of the dots, and I should have known this because it's sewed over here. Because it seems so purposeless in this, I'm thinking of putting some buttons. So I'm gonna give this a wash, an iron, and then it's done.